Bookshops across the country opened at midnight to meet demand for Prince Harry's memoir after it officially went on sale. Prince Harry's Spare was currently the number one in the UK Amazon bestseller charts and among the biggest pre-order titles for high street retailers ahead of its official release on Tuesday. Spare, the Duke of Sussex's first memoir, was always expected to be a big release, but recent publicity around the book, including revelations that Harry and his brother Prince William had a physical fight, that the royal siblings asked their father not to marry Camilla, and that Harry took cocaine, has seen a huge surge of interest in the title. In London, fans going to buy a hardback copy described wanting to hear the story from the horse's mouth. It follows the chaotic launch of Spare with multiple leaks and copies becoming available in Spain last week. Waterstones say Prince Harry's book has been one of its biggest pre-order titles for a decade. The booksellers opened their flagship Piccadilly branch earlier on Tuesday in expectation of high customer demand as the book was published around the world in 16 languages. Branches of WH Smith in locations including Euston, Victoria, Heathrow and Gatwick were also among those to extend their hours for the release. A stream of sensational claims and accusations from Prince Harry's autobiography Spare have been leaked. The book outlines the grievances and bitterness in the royal family. These are some of the key claims and revelations from the book. In his memoir, Harry writes that he and William begged their father not to marry Camilla, now Queen Consort. Harry alleges that he pondered whether she would one day be his wicked stepmother, but that he and his brother were willing to forgive her in their hearts if she could make King Charles happy. Harry also described how his sadness over the death of his mother Diana, Princess of Wales, led to him seeking help from a woman who claimed to have powers. Diana was killed in a car crash in Paris in 1997 when Harry was just 12. Harry's account of a conversation he says he had with his late mother is short. There is also no detail on where or when the meeting with the woman took place. In the memoir, Harry describes his father waking him to break the news that Diana had been involved in a car accident. Harry writes that Charles, who Harry says was not good at expressing his feelings under normal circumstances, did not hug him at this point. Later, Harry writes about replicating the car journey Diana made in Paris in the lead up to her death, hoping it would give him closure, but says it instead left him questioning the official cause of her death. The most sensational claim was that of his brother William grabbing his collar, ripping his necklace and knocking him to the floor at his London cottage. The book sets out an argument between the pair, which Harry claims was sparked by comments made by William about Meghan. Harry writes that his brother was critical of Meghan, with William describing her as difficult, rude and abrasive. The Duke of Sussex said that his brother was parroting the press narrative as the confrontation escalated. In his memoir, Harry also claims that William and Catherine laughed when Harry returned home dressed in a Nazi uniform before a fancy dress party in 2005. Harry says he was debating costumes for the event and called on the pair to ask their opinion. He had a pilot's uniform and a Nazi outfit to choose from. Harry also revealed that he was offered a line of cocaine at someone's house when he was just 17 and admits taking drugs on several other occasions, although he did not enjoy it. Another claim which caught everyone by surprise was that while serving as a helicopter pilot in Afghanistan in 2012-13, Harry says he participated in 6 missions, all of which involved deaths, but saw them as justifiable. The title of the book alludes to a remark supposedly made after Harry's birth. Harry writes that he was 20 years old when he was told that Charles had said to Diana, "Wonderful, you have given me an heir and a spare. You have done your job."
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.